doing? I'm going to give you a quick live tour and glimpse of one of our latest HMOs, and we're about a week away from finishing it, so it goes on the market next week. That's the first of around 18 rooms we'll be launching over the next 3 weeks. But this is one of our biggest, most unique projects that we've ever done, so I wanted to share it with as many people as possible. And hey, it's not been without challenges. We're about, on this project, about 6 weeks later than we hoped to be ready for the market. The main reason being is COVID challenges. We've only been able to have a maximum of 4 people in a house, and this is a big house at any one time. People have let us down. The windows are meant to be going in 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago. They're meant to be finished today, they're not. They're going to be finished tomorrow. So we've had to get over the challenges that COVID has given us, but all in all, we're virtually finished, and we've created something amazing, like we do every single time. So come and have a look. You know me, I like to theme my HMOs. This one's themed Vegas, so each room is themed on a different hotel in Vegas. I've been to Vegas 5 times, I love it. It's a bit of fun, it will create something special for the tenants. Tenants love the themes. This is one of the bigger projects that we've done, bigger than usual. We managed to get a double detached garage in the back garden that we've managed to separate as a title, and we're going to be turning it into a coach house and selling it as an individual dwelling. That's let us focus on this house being a 6-bedroom HMO, a huge 6-bedroom HMO, with some of the rooms, one of the rooms already being rented for $775 a month. That's a room for $775 a month. How? Let me show you. So, this is the Venetian. Welcome to the Venetian room. And as you can see, we have a dining room table, a welcome pack for the tenant. We've got a beautiful, cool living cinema area. Then I have a great bedroom space, 42-inch television, really nice quality furniture, vibrant colours. And those of you that follow me, you know I'm all about vibrant colours, all about maximising each room to its full potential. There's a nice, cool working space, dressing area here, depending on who you are and what you want. Massive wardrobe, mirrors everywhere, not for my benefit, but for the tenant's benefit. And then we've just got this monster headline in the room, this 75-inch smart television, which just creates this cool cinema room for a tenant. This hasn't even gone on the market. We had so much interest just from one picture I put on Facebook. We've rented the room for $775. That's one room rented for $775 per calendar month on a 12-month contract. It's not bad, is it? And that's what this HMO does. It just delivers in every single nook and cranny. It provides amazing income and profits for our investor, as you can imagine, with $775 per room. Now, I'm sure you're probably thinking this is my favourite room, but it's not. I think I've got better. Follow me. This was actually a dentist before. Some of you have posted because you know Bracknell well that it was a dentist. We've made it one big family house again, but also a HMO for the time being. This is an ensuite bedroom here, not my favourite. So, this is Caesar's Palace. I've stayed in the Caesar's Palace Hotel, which was amazing. I don't remember much, but this is my favourite room in this HMO. We've got a beautiful ensuite on the right. I'll show you some of our bathrooms in a minute. And then we've got this massive bedroom. It's not quite finished, as I said, it's about a week away, but huge, huge space, king-size bed, amazing furniture, beautiful smart television. That's going to be a shoe wardrobe. We've got a desk working area, which is quite cool. Cat 6 underneath, Cat 6 behind the television. Love this room, really good space. But it doesn't finish here. We've obviously got the ensuite. We've got a walk-in mirrored wardrobe here, but I love the cinema room we've created. So this would go on the market for £800, and we'll probably get more or less that, to be honest with you. Surround sound cinema room, really cool. Yeah, our tenants can chill, they can bring their partner around, and they can just enjoy the house and the room. And it's in a completely separate part of the house, so it's not going to annoy any of the other tenants. This is definitely one of my favourite rooms we've ever created. This is in fact one of my favourite HMOs we've ever created. But then I say that every time, because everyone's awesome. So let's go back around the hallway, which we created. And I'm going to show you the kitchen space. The kitchen space has changed. Basically, there was a dining room here. We've incorporated that with the kitchen. We put steel up to support what we did. And this is the cool communal eating living area. We've got a lovely laundry area separated there. And then you can see the quality of kitchen. It's a range oven, gas oven, big integrated dishwasher. Really important part of the kitchen is the wine fridge to keep the wine cool. And the small things that we do. Here you've got the Flamingo Hotel, Venetian. So we just label all the drawers, all the cupboards, so each tenant knows what's part of their room, where their belongings should go, if you like. We have the house rules here. So we have general guidance, tip, Wi-Fi, just basic house rules, how we want the tenants to live. We tend to really like that. We've got the windows and doors going in, which will finish the property. And the property will be ready to go on the market next week. And this is going to rent out really quickly. Some idea of the returns. This one actually generates around £1,800 net profit every single month. And that's on worst case scenario numbers. Best case is about £2,000 profit a month. You work that out, that's almost up to £50,000 income a year on just that one property. And we managed to create another dwelling, which used to be part of the back garden, which should sell for around £300,000. So all in all, this is just an amazing investment. And we've added significant value to the property throughout. The rooms are obviously really special. I'll show you a bit upstairs as well, come with me. We've created another shower room downstairs. That was just nothing. That was just literally wasted space. So we put a shower room down there. We've got a nice chandelier going up tomorrow, which will be going up here. So walking up the hallway will be even nicer. And then we've got a beautiful ensuite room. The Bellagio room, those of you that stayed in the Bellagio in Vegas, it's with the dancing waterfalls, which are beautiful. And this one is a more calmer room, though not so much vibrant colours, bright colours, but some people want that. Got a beautiful ensuite, which will be finished by the end of the week. But just to give you an idea, 3-piece ensuite. Check out the floor tiles. I love them. Really nice. Again, it will just be a little bit of luxury. We're getting about $750 for this room. So I mean, I'm sure you're working out the maths. 750, 800, 775 for rooms. It really, really works. We really do get that sort of level. This is going to be one of the separate bathrooms. Again, we're about a few days away from this being finished. And then just these two rooms we pulled out about 1.5 meters. This is just hallway space. We put the rooms out to give the rooms additional space. So on the left there's just a built-in walk-in wardrobe, and then we've got great space here. It's great for the tenants who really like our rooms. I mean, we've actually had any void periods overall. If we're looking at all our rooms, hundreds of rooms we have available, I think we've got one available at the moment. And that is because of the quality of what we produce, the type of tenant we attract, the quality of tenant we attract, and our rooms and our HMOs are getting bigger and better. You can see there's desks, Wi-Fi, Cat 6, so our tenants can work from home if they want to, like more people are, or if they need to. And just generally bigger and better rooms and accommodation to make the tenants feel like they can enjoy living here. I love them, absolutely love them. So I hope you enjoyed a quick tour. It's being released on the market next week. If any of you are looking for HMOs, let me know. If you're looking for inspiration or ideas to improve or build upon your portfolio, then get in touch with HMO on Steroids or HMO Premier. If you're looking for property education, get in touch. Whatever you need property-wise, then let me know. I'd love to help you. I'm Pete Macarinas. Hope you enjoyed our live tour.